Every single prompt you type into ChatGPT or Gemini, your ideas, your drafts, your private questions, is being stored on someone else's server right now. And most people have no idea. But here's what almost nobody is talking about. There's a version of AI that runs 100% on your device. No internet, no servers, no one watching. It's called Gemma 4. It's free, it's from Google, and after this video, you'll have it running in the next few minutes. Let's go. Here's something most people gloss over. Every time you paste a document into ChatGPT, a client email, a business idea, a personal note, that text travels to a remote server. It gets processed there. Depending on the platform's policy, it may be stored or used for training. That's not a conspiracy. That's just how cloud AI works. Gemma 4 doesn't work that way. It's Google's open AI model, but instead of living on their servers, it lives on your device, your laptop, your desktop, even your phone. When you type a prompt, nothing leaves your machine. Think of it like this. Instead of sending your document to a stranger's office to get analyzed, you've hired the analyst to work inside your office permanently for free. Gemma 4 can read documents, write content, explain complex topics, help with code, and work through multi-step tasks, what people call agentic AI. You don't need to be a developer to use it. Tools like Allama and LM Studio make it installable in minutes, which is exactly what we're doing today. Let me make this concrete with some real workflows. These aren't edge cases. These are everyday workflows that are already happening on regular devices, offline, with zero cloud dependency. Next, I'll show you what I personally tested. Alright, here's what I actually tested, and I'm including the parts that didn't work perfectly, because you deserve that. Drafting a professional email. I gave it one rough idea, what I wanted to clarify in the email. It wrote a complete professional email in just 8 seconds, with 3 different options. Image to text. I gave a complex architecture image and asked it to explain. Hear what it did. This is real AI running real computation on your hardware. If you're on an older device, start with the E2B model. Lighter, faster, still capable. I'll tell you exactly which model to pick in the next section. This is the section most people overthink, so let me make it as simple as possible. Option 1, LM Studio. This is the method I use for serious work. On Mac or PC, go to lmstudio.ai. Download LM Studio for your system and install it. Once installed, open LM Studio. Go to Model Search. You can find Gemma 4, download it. That's it. You can chat right in. Option 2. On Android or iPhone, search for Google AI Edge Gallery in your App Store. It's free. Open it, go to Models, download Gemma 4 2B for most phones or Gemma 4 4B if you have more RAM. Then open Text Chat or Ask Image and you're done. No login, no API key, fully offline. Let me be straight with you about the one real limitation. Gemma 4 needs decent hardware. 6 to 8 gigabytes RAM is the sweet spot. It draws battery and processing power, especially on phones during longer sessions. That's the honest downside. But for what it gives you, AI that handles text, images, code, and multi-step tasks in 140 plus languages, privately, for free. The trade-off is worth it for most people. One question before you go, drop it in the comments. What's the first thing you'd use Gemma 4 for? If you want a deeper dive on Allama setup or advanced use cases, subscribe. That's the next video. See you there.